Yo, what's good? I'm back again. It's been 6 months or something. I know it's ridiculously long, but I'm back here on the GoPro Hero 9 now. I bought this on Amazon on the sale for 370 quid, and I thought, you know what, we'll give it a go. So yeah, today we're going to London, right? And I'm going to do some clips on the GoPro, on additional videos, and also I'm doing a vlog in London today to test out the new GoPro Hero 9. I will be honest, the audio is basic. All I've got is a Joby camera. Apart from that, everything else is the same. So yeah, let me know how it sounds and how it is. Make sure you hit the like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, let's get to London. So pretty much I'm on the quiet coach because, you know, I'm an idiot. And yeah, I've got on the quiet coach. So, but yeah, I've literally just got on the train to London. It's not going to be long. I'm going to go out of London. I'm going to go straight to Starbucks. So yeah, man, 100% Starbucks straight away. Yeah. Also, I'm stupid because I made the mistake of getting the quiet coach. Oh, finally out of the fucking train. Oh, let's fucking go. Oh man, that was a shit journey. It was fucking long. That was so long. Right, let's try and find a Starbucks. Let's see what is going on. Look at that, the castle. Ooh, there's a castle. Got the London. Got the Tower of London. Got some selfies going on there. Yeah, we've got people looking at me, but it's okay. Because realistically, who gives a shit? You do what you want to do, and I want to vlog. So I'm vlogging. Yes, mate. Yeah, right. I'm going to speed it up. I'm going to walk now, but I'm going to speed it up. Going to Starbucks, okay? Because you know what? I can't be asked to bore you lot anymore. And I'm out of breath. So let's go. Oh, yes. Oh man, that's so good. I always go with the as hot. I go with the caramel hot macchiato with 2 shots of coffee. Cheers. Oh man, oh, that's good. I needed that. So, right. The plan today is, if you can't hear me over the music, I'm sorry. The plan is, I'm gonna hopefully, well, I need to get Nando's because, you know, lunch. I'm just gonna go around London for the day, enjoy London. Gonna get on the tube and do some stuff like that. But my main thing I want to try and do is get on the Uber boat. I want to try and get on the Uber boat and just, yeah, that'd be sick, I think. But yeah, man, that's what I'm hoping to do. Yo, not gonna lie, that coffee was amazing. Do you know what? I don't even know on YouTube if you could swear anymore. So I'm sorry, YouTube, if I swear and it's not allowed because I've not uploaded in so long. Okay. I want to tour Millennium Pier. Yes, I want to try and get on that. Let's try and get on the Millennium Pier tour because that's what I want to do today. Look, it's over there. I want to do it, but it's gonna be like, if it's expensive, I'm not doing it. If it's not expensive, I'll do it. I want to do it, but I'm not too sure. Let's go and have a look at the prices. So, good news. I'm not gonna. How much can I see? I've got a ticket, but I've got to wait an hour until I board, and I'm not sure what I'm allowed to show. But we'll go. We'll see what we can do. Yeah, we got a ticket. We're going City Cruise. And it's at 2 PM it leaves, and it's 40 minutes. So if I need the toilet, I better go first, but I should be right. What time is it now? 12:25. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna have a look then, have a look around and see what's going on. It's got to be back here for, yeah, 1:50. To be fair though, this video is literally just for me to get me editing back up because I miss it. Upload videos to YouTube again here and there, and just really test the GoPro out. Like, how's the sound, how's the video, how's the audio, how's it look, stuff like that. But yeah, thank you anyway. If you made it this far through the video, comment boat or boat emoji in the comments, and I'll heart all your comments that do it, because I really appreciate you staying by me and staying to the end of this segment of the video. So yeah, I think now the plan is, next time I'll be back, we'll be getting on the boat for city cruises, then we're gonna get some lunch after. Yeah, all right, I'll see you in about an hour. Let's go. So I'm just waiting to get on the boat. I think the boat's there. So yeah, I'm just waiting to get on the boat. But yeah, I'm getting on the boat. But the thing is, I'm being quiet because I'm the only one. I am the only one on this boat on my own. I paid £8 for it with discount with my travel card to be on my own.
You can see them straight away, not like...
Woo! Yo, let's go. The whole boat to myself. I'm gonna sit that side. Let's pick a seat. This is a nice seat. Oh. Yes, this is a very nice seat. Mom, I'm on a boat, man. Mom, I'm on a boat and the shower is right there. That's insane. That is actually sick. That is sick.
At last, the government saw an opportunity. It founded the London Dock.
Fucking hell. That guy was like, way. Oh, right, Nando's. Yo, so yeah, I ordered a vegan burger to try it. I do like it, the vegan stuff. I've had their vegan stuff before. And I got a garlic bread with a drink. So yeah, hopefully it'll be good. It's always good in Nando's. And I'll show you what it is. I'll show you it. What it is when it comes out. Yo, so it's here. I've got the garlic bread, which actually is really nice tonight. And the vegan burger, which is like, it's like weird, but it's nice, man. It looks sick. I'm gonna put some sauce on it. I've got some ketchup, don't hate me. That's just for the garlic bread to dip it in. And I've got some balsamic vinegar to put with it as well. But yeah, man, I'll let you know how it is. And then also, I don't know what we're doing next, but I'm gonna look into that now. Too easy, finished. I didn't even touch the ketchup, literally. That Peronaise, banging. I just want to say, right, Nando's was amazing, because I don't know if you can hear me, but look at this swanky bathroom. Look at that. That is some swanky bathroom, don't you think? I fucking think that is sick, that is, look at that. Yo, so I'm just on the way to the underground, but look at this. Sorry, mate. Look at this, the fucking boat. That's a Cutty Sark. It's massive. Massive, mate. It's raining. It's now raining, so now this is brilliant. We can try out how good the GoPro is in the wet. Right, where's the station? Let's go. Try and find the station.
London Underground. Let's go. Oh, sorry. That's cold. London Underground. Do you know what, yeah? The London Underground, it's alright. Like today, yeah, it's freezing and it's hot in here, so I'm lucky. So I don't want to chill, I want to free my fingers up, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, London Underground. I know quite a lot of people like to watch videos on this, so let's go. Let's go tap, tippity tap, and get in.
All change. I've got to get out of here now. I'm going to Chinatown to get some cinematics. Chinatown is like so pretty, literally, like all the colours and the lights. Hopefully, like in the cinematics, you can see that. I don't know how the GoPro does in low light, but this is what I mean. Like, I'm in London to test it all, so let's just hope that it lives up to what it meant to, especially for the price tag, anyway. But look, they've got a bakery as well. They do some like, oh, let's have a look at the cakes quick. Look at these cakes. Look at these cakes. Mental. I want to try and get a Five Guys milkshake. That's what I'm going to try and do. I've never had one before and I want to try one. Got to find one though first. Bingo. I've never had one before. I've got one. So what I got in it was, I've got vanilla, chocolate and Oreo. So first ever test. It's so hot up here. I will take my jacket off, but I want to try this. Oh, it's thick. Can't even suck it up. Don't take that out of context. Oh my gosh. You can taste the Oreo in it as well. Oh my gosh. Bruv, that is insane. Yo guys, so I pretty much just walked back to Fenchurch Street station, the train station, and I'm gonna leave it here if I'm honest. I'm gonna get on the train and get off, go home, and that's it really, edit this video. I appreciate you all, you know, watch the video, and if you got this far, just leave a comment and let me know. Did you like it? Did you not like it? What do you want me to do? What could do better? But yeah, it's been weird and different, but I've enjoyed it today. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and until later, or the next time, thank you very much. I'll see you later.